Hi everyone, I want to demonstrate again how to set up your format on your Bristol paper. So to start, you want to subtract the format size from the page size. If the page size is 11 by 14 and the format size is 8 by 10, you want to subtract the format from the page size. So you start with your page is 11 inches wide, right? And 14 inches long. So you want to put your format in here, right? This is not drawn to size. Your format is 8 by 10. So you want to subtract the format width from the page width. So 8 minus 11 equals 3, and you want equal spacing on either side of the format. So you divide by 2, that equals 1.5 inches. So there will be 1.5 inches on either width of your page. For the length, your length is 10 inches of your format minus subtract from 14, that equals 4, divided by 2, that equals 2 inches. So there will be 2 inches on the length side of your format. So let me show you how to do that. You want to measure in 2 spots. We'll do the width first. So we're going to come up from the bottom, which might seem a little counterintuitive, but we're going to measure 1.5 inches up from the bottom, 1.5 inches down from the top, at 2 points. So there's one edge, and here's another edge. 1.5 inches up, 1.5 inches over. This is not the line that we're drawing. We're drawing this line here. So this will be the bottom of the width. I'm going to put this in. I'm not going to draw it too dark, dark enough for you to see, but light enough that I can erase any marks I don't want. So I come up to my point here and the point I made on this side and draw a line over. So now this is my width between these two lines. Let's measure it. Look, 8 inches, okay? Then we'll do the length. From the side we measure over 2 inches. Now, I've just made a little mark here. I don't want to confuse myself, so I'm going to put a little point right here. That's the point I need to move to. And on this side, again, I'll do the same. I'll put a little point right there. Now I need to make it on this, marks on this side as well. So at 2 inches, putting a little triangle, 2 inches over from the edge on this side, making a little triangle. Now this line shows the right edge of my length. And this side shows the left edge of my length. Two inches, 2 inches. So now I'm going to erase these extra marks here. Sorry about the shaking. And darken the border with a Sharpie. So I'm going to come back with my ruler, put it right on the line, and run my Sharpie mark down the ruler. Okay? So I have a nice dark border. I'm going to do the same here. Run it up to the top. Same here. And on the top. So now I have a length that's 10 inches and a width that's 8 inches. There's 1.5 inches on either edge. In this direction, that's 1.5 inches. And on this direction, there's 2 inches on either side. If you put 2 points on here, you'll get a corner that's square and not a trapezoid. If you only put 1 mark, your line will come out skewed. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.